Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the Wix Classic Page Editor tutorial. So let's get started. Right now, I'm on the Wix website. So what we can do first is we need to choose the site or create a site that we want to edit the page into. So for example, let's choose this site right here. This is my site, so click on select and edit site right here. And then once you have done that, this will load and then open the manage.wix.com, wherein you can see the dashboard of the settings and everything that you can do with your site. But since we're on our dashboard, we can't actually do anything with it. But we can actually head over and click on this edit site right here in order to edit the pages that we have on our website. So click on this edit site right here. And then it will open a new tab wherein it will open the Wix editor. So on the Wix editor, we should be able to edit the pages that we have on our website. So let's just wait for that. So right now in here, the Wix pages or a website has been previewed. So what we can do in order to actually edit the pages is we need to head over to this sidebar right here. So this sidebar on your left side, you can see everything of the tools that you can use in order to edit your website. So from in there, we can just click on this pages and menu right here, which is the third icon from up to down. And then this will open a window, which is this one. So in here, you can see all of the pages. And in this pages right here, you can see a categories. So under a specific pages, you can actually add categories if you want. But in here, you can see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So all of those 9 right here will be presented at around right here. So these things right here will be added when you click on the collection tab, which is the parent keynote for this. So if you want to edit a page, what you can do is you can actually head over and just click it. So for now, I'll first teach you how to move this specific page. So for example, you want to move shoes, you can head over and just drag that up right here. And you can also enter it into another collection wherein it will be a sub page. So let's do that also for elegance. And then in here, let's just drop this right here and it will be added to that. As you can see, those things will have disappeared right here since we have edited that specific thing. Now in here, if you want to delete a page, you can actually head over and click on this three dots right here. And then in here, you can see this delete. So click on delete right here. And then click on delete again in order to confirm your action. And then for a few seconds, it will be deleted once it's done loading. So as you can see, it has been deleted right here. So the next thing we can do is you can just head over to the page editor itself to actually edit the actual page. So right now, let's head over to the page of About Us, for example. So let's head over to the page of About Us. And then in here, you can see that you can change everything. So we can put in settings, SEO basics, share, page background right here, and all of this thing right here. So once you click on a specific page, this actual editor will also present what it is actually looks like. So here is the actual About Us page. So if you want to edit it, you can just click on this right here, and then click on this pencil icon to quick edit it. So let's click on quick edit right here. And in here, you should be able to see a quick edit option. In here, you can change the image, you can change what the search bar will look like. So click on settings right here. And then in here, you can put in things for the settings for the search bar. And in here, you can also change the title of the heading. So if you want to actually edit the actual page, then click on the specific part of the page that you want to edit, and in here you can also see the quick edit for that. So you can change the section background. So let's click on change right here, and let's pick up a color that actually matches that specific thing. So we can click on this one, and then once you have clicked on that, as you can see, it has been applied right here. So once you have done that, as you can see, you have not added it edit. So in here, you can also edit the text that you can see on your page. So you can add something like, we are pioneers of comfort. So you can say something, everything that actually describes you or actually fits what is on your page. So just make sure to edit that. And as you can see, here's the title. And in here, you can also edit in the paragraph. So in here, you can also change the image. But for now, I will not change that. But in here, you can also see the Wix Pro Gallery, wherein you can manage the content of your Wix Pro Gallery from your dashboard, but this requires subscription for the Wix Pro plan. So the next thing you can do is you can head over again to the pages and menu. And then from in there, can actually head over and then just choose on our page that you want to edit, and then edit it out however you want it to be. So once you're done with everything, the next thing you need to do is to make sure to publish it. So click on publish. And as you can see, it is loading. Then once it's done, in here, as you can see, the site has been published. And if you click on view site right here, we can see that our website, or around the About Us section, which we have edited earlier on the page, as you can see, the changes has been saved instantly. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to know the Wix Classic Page Editor tutorial. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!